Alright, here's this Goodman package unit at a restaurant. Let's see, this is from 2018. 5-ton. I think it has a cope and scroll compressor. Alright. So I get a little shot of this unit. Here's some New York Olympians. At this other place. The one was running earlier. They have Bristol, and they're pretty rusty. They honestly might be Luxors. Alright, yeah, just thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Alright, here's this Luxor. It's a 13 seer, and it's behind a fence. I think that is a 3.5 ton from 2021. And here's these two LGs. Oh, it's missing the label. And here's this weird thing. I don't know what it is. It says green heck, and it's kind of strange. I think it's just like a package unit. Yeah, it's pretty new Luxor. Doesn't look like it's working. Alright. There's a few more that I'll film. Alright, here are these two reams. Oh, nice. They have LGs. $2024, 3-ton. This one has not been running. $2024 as well. That's a 3-ton. Oh, that's ice cold. Hang on. That's outdoor temperature. Also has an LG. And yeah, really quiet. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.